Living in Deltona, you can enjoy the beauty and tranquility of Florida's natural environment. However, for homeowners near busy streets, highway intersections, or commercial areas, the constant noise from traffic and surrounding activity can significantly affect the comfort of your home. From the hum of vehicles passing by to the occasional honk or chatter, noise pollution is a common challenge for those in busy neighborhoods. One effective solution to this issue is installing soundproof doors. These specialized doors are designed to reduce the amount of external noise entering your home, providing a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Here's why soundproof doors are becoming an essential upgrade for Deltona homes near busy streets. Improved indoor comfort and peaceful living. The primary benefit of soundproof doors is the reduction of noise pollution. For homeowners in Deltona who live near busy streets or highways, the constant noise can be distracting and disruptive, especially in areas where you spend a lot of time, like your living room, bedrooms, or home office. Soundproof doors are designed to block or absorb sound, preventing it from seeping through your entryways. These doors use dense materials such as fiberglass, composite cores, and sealed edges to limit the amount of noise transmitted from the outside world. Whether it's the loud roar of traffic, honking horns, or even construction noise, a soundproof door can significantly improve the quality of life in your home, making it a sanctuary of peace. Increased privacy. In addition to blocking out exterior noise, soundproof doors enhance your home's privacy. For homeowners near busy streets, it can often feel like the outside world is intruding on your personal space. Whether you're trying to concentrate in a home office or enjoy a quiet evening with family, unwanted noise can disrupt your peace. A soundproof door helps ensure that you can enjoy your privacy without the disturbance of outdoor conversations or the sounds of people walking by. It creates a barrier that keeps noise from both entering and leaving your home, ensuring that your personal activities and conversations remain private. This added sound insulation makes your home feel more secluded, even if it's located in a busy neighborhood. Enhanced sleep quality. One of the most significant advantages of soundproof doors is their ability to improve sleep quality. Traffic noise, honking horns, and other sounds from the street can easily interfere with your ability to fall asleep or stay asleep. For those living near busy streets in Deltona, this can result in restless nights and poor sleep quality. Installing soundproof doors in your bedroom or throughout your home can help block out those disruptive noises, leading to a more restful night's sleep. Quiet, undisturbed sleep is essential for maintaining good health, mood, and productivity, and soundproof doors play a crucial role in providing a serene environment conducive to restful sleep. Energy efficiency and temperature control. Soundproof doors don't just block noise, they also contribute to better energy efficiency. These doors are designed to be more insulated than regular doors, helping to keep your home's temperature regulated. The added soundproofing materials in the door prevent air from escaping or entering, helping to maintain a stable indoor climate. In Deltona, where temperatures can fluctuate throughout the year, soundproof doors provide an extra layer of insulation, helping to reduce energy costs. You'll enjoy a more comfortable home without the need for constant adjustments to your heating or cooling system. Whether it's keeping the cool air inside during summer or holding in warmth during winter, soundproof doors contribute to a more energy-efficient home. Increased home value. Soundproofing is not only beneficial for your personal comfort, it can also increase the value of your home. As more people seek peaceful, quiet environments, homes with noise-reducing features are becoming more desirable, particularly for those who live near noisy roads or urban centers. Installing soundproof doors adds to the overall appeal and functionality of your home, making it more attractive to potential buyers if you ever decide to sell. Homes with enhanced privacy, energy efficiency, and a quiet living environment are always in demand, and soundproof doors can be a feature that sets your property apart in a competitive market. Aesthetic appeal and customization. Soundproof doors are available in a variety of styles, materials, and finishes, so you don't have to compromise on aesthetics when choosing this practical solution. Whether you prefer a modern or traditional look, you can find soundproof doors that complement your home's design and architecture. With options like wood, fiberglass, or composite, you can choose a door that fits seamlessly into your home's style while offering superior noise reduction. These doors are also customizable in terms of color and finish, allowing you to match them to your existing decor and enhance curb appeal without sacrificing functionality. Easy installation and maintenance. Installing a soundproof door doesn't have to be complicated. Professional installation services can quickly and efficiently replace your existing door with a high-performance soundproof option. Once installed, these doors are easy to maintain. They typically require only regular cleaning and minimal care to keep them looking great and performing well. Unlike windows, which require frequent resealing or treatment to maintain their energy efficiency, soundproof doors require very little upkeep, making them a long-term investment for homeowners in Deltona. Conclusion: upgrade to soundproof doors for peace and comfort. For Deltona homeowners near busy streets, soundproof doors are becoming an essential upgrade. By reducing noise pollution, increasing privacy, enhancing sleep quality, and improving energy efficiency, soundproof doors provide a wide range of benefits that contribute to a more comfortable and peaceful living environment. Not only do these doors enhance your home's functionality, but they also increase its market value and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're seeking to block out the noise of traffic or simply want a quieter space to unwind, soundproof doors offer the perfect solution for homeowners looking to improve their home's tranquility and overall comfort.